Let us now learn how to count in groups of 2s. So the base 2 system is known as the binary number system. Binary or base 2. Now we know that this consists of 2 digits, and those digits are 0 and 1. Now to make up numbers, we combine these 2 digits in different formats to make up from small numbers to very large numbers. So let's take an example where we combine zeros and ones. So if we have something like this, 1, 1, 0, 1, and this is in base 2. How can we tell the value of each of the individual digits in this number? Now, take note that 1101 is one number, right? But in base 2 counting system. So let's look at the individual value of these digits. So what we do is we multiply each of them by their base. So we would have 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2, plus 0 multiplied by 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2. Now, because the value increases from the unit all the way to the highest place value, we will then give the 2 power from 0, starting from the right. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's simplify further. This will give us 1 multiplied by 2 cubed is 8, plus 1 multiplied by 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2, plus 1 multiplied by 1. Now, what we see here is that to actually call out this number, we will then say we have 1 8s, 1 4s, 0 2s, and 1 unit. Let me put that out. So we have 1 8, 1 4, 0 2, and 1 unit. Now, it may sound a little bit complex trying to read it off the way we read our regular counting digits. However, when we are referring to numbers in base 2, we often call them out in singular digits. But this is what they actually mean. So you can also try this by combining several numbers in base 2. Remember, the only digits you have to work with is 0 and 1. So arrange them in any order you feel like and then expand, just as we have done here. Thank you.